Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Desire channel. Have you ever returned from a trip with tons of photos and wondered how you could turn them into memorable pieces of art? In today's video, we are going to learn how to transform our simple travel photos into cinematic posters, stunning collages, and breathtaking double exposure images, and all of this with just a few simple words. So, make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Before we dive into the tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Desire channel so you won't miss out on our upcoming awesome tutorials. Let's get started. Alright, for this, I am using the tool that I've linked in the description below. To create an image, you can either type right here, or you can click on the image option on the left side to be directed to this page. Here, we click on Add Photo. For my first image, I want to use a few photos from my computer. I'll select them one by one and hit Open to add them to the box. Now, the trick you need is right here. All you have to do is type /Travel Diary Collage, Japan. Then, I click on Generate and wait for it to create my image. I uploaded a character image along with a few pictures of Japan. I should also mention that there are 30 commands I've put in the comments, which you can use directly. Our image is ready. It created a beautiful collage from the pictures I provided. You can feed it your own photos, and it will do this beautifully. The interesting part is that it actually recognized the locations in the photos I provided and wrote their names underneath them. It's fascinating how it analyzed all the images in such a short time and labeled each with its correct location name. I'll download this image and move on to the next trick and command. In the prompt section, I type /travel double exposure London, England, and by clicking the plus icon and hitting Add Photo and File, I want to upload two images, one of my character and one of England. I select and upload my images, and once they're uploaded, I hit Generate to create it. It generated this incredible image for us. As you can see, with just a few words, we were able to create such a stunning double exposure effect that would usually take hours to do in Photoshop. I really love this one. The cool thing here is that, besides using the English clock tower, it also added a subtle design at the bottom representing their iconic double-decker buses, which is done so beautifully. Now, I want to use another trick and command. Here, I'm going to upload a picture of the Great Wall of China and my character. And in the prompt section, I'll type this /cinematic travel poster. That's it. Then I click on Generate to let it create the image for us. Now, it has created a highly cinematic image and an incredible movie-style poster from my two uploaded photos. As you can see, it pulled off this poster beautifully. It even adjusted the color and lighting to produce an absolutely fantastic poster. The amazing part here is that I've created many images before using tons of long prompts, but with this method, you can make these kinds of images with just a 1 or 2 word command. Now, I want to create a vintage poster with my uploaded pictures. After uploading my image, I simply type /vintage travel poster. I hit Generate and wait for this image to be created as well. It generated our image. It made a vintage picture of New York for us. The cool part here is that I actually forgot to type New York or America in the prompt for it, unlike what I did for the England command. But it beautifully recognized it on its own and created a gorgeous, vintage image for us, which is absolutely lovely. Well guys, that wraps up today's tutorial. You saw just how easily and quickly we can turn our memorable travel photos into professional artworks and posters. Don't forget that I have left the complete list of those 30 magic commands in the comments section so you can easily use and enjoy them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, which trips photos would you like to turn into a poster like this. Make sure to subscribe to the Desire channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.